All right, we've got some weight savings going on here because there's no door. We save like 40 pounds. I don't think it'll affect the driving experience at all. Totally daily driver. No, that's not what's happening. All right, we're back inside. We've got the doors from the junkyard. Now we got to take these doors off to do the swap. We're going to be using these door panels and probably most of the electronics so that it keeps working, obviously. There are 5 bolts we're going to need to take out. They are T25 Torx, which is not going to autofocus, but you get the idea. We got 1 up here. You got to pull a little plastic clip off. 2, pull the airbag plastic thing off. 3, 4, and 5. So we're going to take those off right now. Alright, once you've got those 5 bolts out, the next thing you're going to want to do is pop the plastic clip. You're going to need to lift over the piece. You're going to have a couple of wires holding it on. That will be challenging to put back on the other one. This is your window regulator. This is mirror. This must be door lock. We get the old door off, we're going to put the new door on. We're going to show you how you do it because we learned a whole bunch of stuff about how not to do it, taking the old door off. And now I feel confident about telling you actually how to do it. So that's what's happening. To the new door. There is an 8mm bolt on this, the rubber for the electronics. And then the Torx bolt here, shake that stuff, and then these pins actually just drop in place. They're hard to see because of the effect that we're on. So there's like a safety bolt that I'm going to put on the bottom, and then the other one goes down into the top. And then it's a reverse. We'll put the door back together. And it goes up, down. That's a good sign. Next up, we're going to be putting the mirror back on. So, a little bit of electronics, we got to feed through the hole. Then there's a rubber grommet here that we have to pay attention to getting in. That's going to be the hardest part. Right in here, right there. Interesting, these are reverse thread. You unscrew them, reverse thread action. And then they are what holds the window onto the window track. So this one actually has to back out the other side. It's super kind of bizarre. The other door was a little easier because we had this foam completely off. I do not want to kind of take this foam as apart as I did on the other one. But maybe I will loosen these off here and then take this whole thing off. The old window's out, the new window's in. Now we are working on our speakers. But we gotta put our door back on. Now, when I took this one apart, I broke a clip for this speaker here. However, I got extra parts on the other car, so I'm gonna look and see if that one has what I'm looking for. We have a new door. No more rust on the door. Still got some rust down here, but the door is rust free. It's looking good. Pretty easy to do. I will say it's not as bad as I thought it would be. Switching over the glass and stuff was something something I was a little scared of, but it actually wasn't too bad. So anyway, hope that helps if you're switching out a door. And in the meantime, if you like this video, go watch 2 more. And then if you like those ones, hit that like and subscribe. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. See you on the next one.
Did you know you can get Octane Monkey gear at octanemonkey.com? That's right, we got shirts, hats, stickers, even car parts. If you like this video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button.
There are 5 bolts we're going to need to take out. They are T25 Torx, which is not going to autofocus, but you get the idea. Let me get the autofocus on there. Come on. No? There we go. No. Anyway, it's a T25. Believe me about that.